All right, welcome back to a new week. This is called Meta Live. You get paid to live stream from your phone, which is crazy. You can start earning money right away through the live streaming with guaranteeing base pay. The Meta Live agency helps creators get paid to stream using the Salsa live streaming app, where you can earn about $700 to $1,000 per month. Plus, bonuses and gifts. No large following or prior experience is required to start, and you can make money from live streaming. So go ahead and click apply now. It's going to ask you to join the Salsa team. Are you ready to start making money from your phone? We are looking for confident, fun girls who want to earn money based pay plus temps through live streaming. No experience is needed. So go ahead and click in your first name, your email address, your age, your country, your phone number. Have you live streamed before? Links to your social media. Do you have experience with adult industry? Whatever you want to do, then click the submit button. And they kind of ask you all of the particular questions about this. I'm not sure if the guys can join, but you can try and see if they may. These are all the kind of questions that they kind of ask you. Let's go through this. Some of these questions here. So, what is the Salsa app? It's a live stream where workers can earn money by going live, chatting with viewers, then they have the Pink app. How much does the Salsa pay? Between $700 to $1,000. Is it guaranteed paid on Salsa? Guaranteed paid on a monthly base. Program available to approve creators on Salsa. How do I qualify for guaranteed pay? Do I need followers to join? No. Many creators start with a small following. Approval is based on content quality. Can beginners join? Yes. How many hours do you need to stream? Complete about 45 live streams per month, including a portion of the hours completed through the platform matching. Can I stream directly from my phone? What countries can I join Salsa? Do creators make money on Salsa? Is Salsa a real app that pays creators? And you can keep going through all the questions that they ask you. If this is something that you like, let me know. But other than that, you guys have a great and wonderful day. Bye now.